Hello, we are Team 18 and we are presenting on simulation and construction. My name is Kirsten Holston and I'm a senior in civil engineering.
Hi, I'm Tamir Tufton. I'm a sophomore at CEM program.
And I'm Patrick Dunn, and I'm a junior in civil engineering.
So to begin, we've got our table of contents just to give you an overview as to what we'll be covering during this presentation.
So today we're going to talk about the construction simulations, and according to the Project Management Institute, in the engineering world, we have been using simulations, computer programs that mimic or model behaviors of physical systems for years to predict and explore system capabilities and limitations. The purpose of the construction simulations include that it helps the decision-making ability and minimize project costs and lower safety risk during the construction phase. Simulations are able to take many different options available to a CEM and run through the process with data collected from other projects. And few of the assumptions that we have to account for during the process is that you got to follow the guideline of PMBOK, that stands for Project Management Body of Knowledge, and it is a set of standard terminology and guidelines for project management which helps the construction simulations. And another thing we have to rely on is that to make decisions based on the feedback from the simulations, and a few of the advantages of using simulations include that we get to use the real world data such as location, weather, and practice scenarios.
So one of the things that we looked at for these different programs are the calculations. So what are some of the calculations that often need to be used within these programs? So some of them would be tracking daily resource usage, predicting and actual productivity rates, schedule error and gap detection, along with the start and finish dates. So what are some of the program types? What simulations are on the market? For most simulations, they are 4D, and so that means that along with 3D construction models, they're also linked to time to help visualize and manage the construction process and sequencing. But there are two different types of programs that could be used. There's academic versus professional aids. Academic simulations are used to practice your project management skills, while professional aid simulations are usually used in the professional world to show owners and contractors a dynamic image of the project. So an example of some software that's currently on the market is Synchro software. So it was established in 2001 in Birmingham, England, and it's a 4D BIM construction software that's typically used in industry. So what you can see is a schedule below, and then they also have an image of the project itself and its different phases of construction. Essentially what Synchro can provide, it provides resource histograms, production tracking, safety planning, lean practice, and virtual schedule analysis. Procore is another software on the market. It's a project management tool. It was established in 1993 in California, and it's a cloud-based collaborative system. So essentially what it allows you to do is it allows you to better collaborate within a project. You've got a lot of document sharing and a streamlined communication. You can also manage your documents and specs, all from a central location. Double Masters is another program. This program, unlike the previous two, is more of an academic program. So it was established in 2006 in Boston, Massachusetts, and it's a teaching tool for project management. Essentially what it does is it allows you to practice your project management skills within the program. So you simulate a project from beginning to end, you create your own team and choose the different contractors that might be available to you. You manage a budget and a schedule along with cost overruns, and you need to respond to different challenges within the program and also address human resource issues and many more things. So now we're going to show a little part of a video so you can get an idea as to how Synchro, one of the softwares, works.
The ability to plan, manage, and track projects in an integrated space-time visual environment provides benefits to all types of construction projects. Synchro's digital and interoperable platform enables improvements across all aspects of the delivery process, from safety, workspace utilization, productivity, quality and reliability, to project cost and competitiveness.
Construction.
So now we're going to continue with the presentation and talk about the benefits and drawbacks.
So while construction simulation has many benefits, it also has a few drawbacks, so we're just going to discuss those quickly. First of all, some of the benefits are visualization of the construction process. As you just saw in the video, simulations can provide an easy tool to show clients or customers what the construction will look like, as well as it can help construction workers and engineers visualize the process as well. Also, in the design phase, it can eliminate efficiencies and minimize cost before construction even begins. And a few drawbacks are, one is that it is widely adopted for the design phase, but not necessarily adopted as well in the construction phase, meaning it is used a lot by engineers, but not as well utilized by contractors or construction workers during actual construction of projects. And another drawback is that complex simulations require advanced software and computing power that is not always easily accessible or obtained for different uses. So thank you for listening to our presentation, and here are our sources that we used.